Here at Lloyd Land Rover in Carlisle, we are proud to present this Land Rover Defender X-Dynamic SE finished in the very stylish Carpathian Grey. Comes sitting on those stunning 20-inch gloss black alloys and comes with full service history, and it's a 3-litre diesel. Showing the practicality of the vehicle, you've got a huge amount of boot space there. The rear seats can be lowered to provide a huge amount of practicality. Got the Meridian sound system, sounding fantastic throughout the vehicle, and a very well presented dashboard, as well as having a sliding panoramic sunroof, letting a huge amount of natural light into the vehicle. Taking the seat inside now, you have got ease of access to the navigation system, as well as your 3D surround camera, working in hand with your front and rear parking aid, ensuring full confidence. Got ease of access to a huge range of other features. These do include your heated front seats, perfect for use all year round, always a nice feature to have, I'm sure you'll agree. As we're navigating through, you can see there's a huge range of other features. For more information, please give us a call on 01228 599 000. Thank you.